There's no mistaking the new DB-12 for anything but an Aston Martin, and the low and wide two-doors recognizable design is well by design. The grille gets bigger, the swept-back headlights have a new lighting signature, and the frameless side mirrors are smaller. The car's front and rear tracks are also wider, about 0.2 inches in front and 0.9 inches in back. On the nose of the car is Aston's recently revised winged logo, with the DB-12 being the first production car it has appeared on. Welcoming the latest DB model also means saying goodbye to the twin turbocharged 5.2-liter V12 that was previously available. Now the sole engine choice, at least until Aston reveals a potential AMR performance variant, is a twin-turbo V8 with the same 4.0 liters of displacement as before. Also, like before, the engine is still a hand-built unit sourced from Mercedes-AMG. However, Aston has unlocked a lot more power, mainly by adding larger turbos, revising the compression ratios, and completely overhauling the cooling system. The new and improved V8's peak output is 671 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 590 pound-feet of torque between 2,750 and 6,000 revolutions per minute. Not only are those figures significantly higher than the prior V8's 528 horses and 513 pound-feet, but they're more than the old V12 too, which produced 630 ponies and 516 pound-feet. The enhanced 4.0-liter still feeds the rear axle via an 8-speed automatic gearbox that now has a shorter final drive ratio. Aston says the DB-12 will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds, and its top speed is a claimed 202 miles per hour. The DB-12 rides on a newly developed suspension that has firmer anti-roll bars and Aston's latest adaptive dampers. They support a set of 21 inches wheels inside specially developed Michelin Pilot Sport S5 summer tires, size 275/35 R21 in front and 315/30 R21 out back. The rear rubber is also better controlled by the introduction of an electronic rear differential the company says can almost instantly go from fully open to fully locked. The DB-12's front wheels are directed by an updated electronic steering system that brings a non-isolated steering column that Aston says improves feel. Bringing the car to a stop are a set of standard 15.7 inches front and 14.2 inches rear cast iron rotors. A new brake booster is said to improve pedal feel, and those who want the ultimate braking experience can opt for the carbon ceramic set, which is said to save about 60 pounds of unsprung weight. Along with the DB-12's revised chassis, its bonded aluminum structure is said to be 7% stiffer, a byproduct of improvements made to the car's underbody braces. Since the DB-12 is intended to be more than a Grand Tourer, it's billed as a Super Tourer. Mind you, it must have an interior to match that mission. While we can't comment on its legroom or headroom, nor can we say how comfortable or uncomfortable the driving position is until we get to climb inside one, the pictures suggest the cabin will be more livable than before. The expensive materials and endless customization available through Aston's Q program are a given, but the DB-12's interior also appears to have improved ergonomics. The dashboard design is cleaner, and it looks like there could be more cubby space based on the opening below the center stack. A host of physical switchgear, including rollers for volume and HVAC controls, as well as a stubby electronic shifter, is located on the incline between the cup holders and the infotainment system. The latter also looks much improved over the old Mercedes-sourced setup. Aston's new in-house infotainment system features a 10.3 inches touchscreen and comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The onboard navigation features 3D mapping and an online connection, but we think the smartphone mirroring will be the default for getting directions for most users. Along with the ability to accept over-the-air software updates, the DB-12 system marks the debut of Aston's new smartphone app, which provides access to vehicle-specific content as well as subscription services, 3 of which are free for the first 3 years. The 2024 Aston Martin DB-12 will go on sale in America sometime in the third quarter of this year. The coupe body style will have a $248,086 base price. For those familiar with the DB-11, that's exactly $28K more than the 2023 V8 coupe. That suggests the yet-to-be-revealed convertible DB-12 Volante will start around $264,000. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment in the comment section below.